All right, check out our new Shooting Star Christmas decor. Comes in a nice little box and very easy to set up. They tent stake. There's 8 of these strands with these little light bulbs on the end, and they tent stake in. And of course, didn't want to put it too close to the driveway for snow purposes, but it kind of spider webs up like that. And we just have it kind of hanging from a little twisty tie on the end of the downspout. So that's pretty neat. Our new decor, it's super inexpensive, and it does require power. You can see not the green line here, but the translucent line. So that's nice. You can barely see it. And we've got it coming across this way. I basically plugged into a dawn and dusk timer over here. And that, of course, leads to the outlet on the side of the house right there. So setup is pretty simple, and it looks pretty neat, I think. A good complement to our multicolored bulbs that we have going along there. And when I say inexpensive, I mean like it was like 12 or 15 bucks, the whole thing. So let's turn them on real quick so you can see what they look like in the daytime, and then we'll turn them on at night as well. All right, so we'll override the dusk dawn feature and just turn it on. And so power is now coming to the lights. You can see they are blue, kind of pretty. And then the lights up there are also blue around the star. So you can see them during the day, which I wasn't really expecting. Get a closer look there. I don't know if that color is coming through on the camera or not, and then we didn't pull it super taut, just taut enough, because we didn't want to put too much pressure on the star piece up there, but that's what they look like during the day. All right, and here is what it looks like from the outside. From this angle, obviously sun is down. I think that's pretty neat. Got some lights in the bushes behind it so people can see that from the street. I think that's pretty cool looking. All right, hopefully this video's helped you out.